Hello guys, welcome to the Makers.
Today we are going to do an unboxing video on iPad 7th Gen. We have already unboxed it before for checking whether there is any damage on the product, and this was brought for 35k on Amazon. So let's unbox it. So opening the box, we will get a 10-inch iPad, and Apple didn't make any big change to it. Also it has a glossy finish and we will come back to it. So we have a standard Apple charging cable. It's up to 1 meter. Now with the package we will be getting an Apple logo stickers and accessory manual. You can see that. This time Apple had did a little change to their charger. It's now not fixed. Now coming to the charger, first we have to connect it like this. Here's a demo. Coming to the body, we have received a space grey colored iPad with approximately 10-inch size. It is of plastic finish. So let's check the body more specifically. On the upper side we have 3.5 mm headphone jack, and on this side we have keyboard connector, and here comes the stereo speakers and the charging slot, and the volume buttons are fixed, and the back body is glowy type, and lastly we have the power button. Now coming to the booting part, it only takes 7 to 8 seconds to boot. You can see it. The power button is functioning smoothly, and fingerprint sensor is also working perfectly fine. The display touch is so smooth. By swiping, you can see how nicely it works because it has A10 Fusion chip processor. From swiping from the left, we can see news headlines, battery backup and weather conditions. Now we will go to the settings, and in the about section you can see its main features. We have got 32 GB internal here, and it has a 8000 mAh battery, and it's best for gaming. Now when we swipe from the top right, we can see the toggles, and from the left side the notification bar can be seen. Instead of using home button, you can drag the apps with your fingers. Just drag the fingers like this. For recent apps, just hold for a while, and for clearing it, just swipe up. Coming to the camera of this iPad, it has an 8 megapixel rear camera and 1.2 megapixel at the front. It can record 180p HD videos at 30 fps. It has autofocus, and also we can adjust the level of brightness, as you can see. Here are the samples that we just took. Here is a sample video showing the display quality and the sound quality. So it has a Retina display with 2160 by 1620 pixel resolution at 264 ppi. This iPad also supports Apple Pencil, and it has a perfect volume functioning in it. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.